Avulea tank tops are being promoted as ultra-comfortable, breathable essentials that claim to offer a flattering fit and all-day wearability. But the real question is whether they actually deliver or are just overhyped basics. The brand typically markets these tops using soft, stretchy fabrics and minimalist designs, often highlighting features like moisture-wicking material and a body-hugging fit meant to suit different body types. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely unrealistic. Comfortable tank tops made with quality blends like cotton, modal, or spandex can feel great and work well for everyday wear, especially in warm climates. However, here's the key issue. There's very limited verified information about Avulea as a brand, and most of the claims about comfort and quality come from promotional pages rather than independent reviews or established retail platforms. There are also some concerns around consistency. With lesser-known online clothing brands, product quality can vary a lot, and materials may not always match what's advertised in photos. User experiences are mixed. Some people say the tops feel soft and lightweight, while others mention thin fabric, sizing issues, or the fit not being as flattering as expected. It's also important to remember that basics like tank tops are widely available from well-known brands with proven quality control, so expectations should be realistic when trying newer stores. So, are Avulea tank tops comfortable to wear? They might be decent for casual use, but they don't clearly stand out from other options. The bottom line is that Avulea tank tops are likely wearable but somewhat overhyped, with limited proof behind their standout claims. So it's worth being cautious before buying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.